Quick tutorial on how to change the clock on a 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 650. So there's two buttons on the left of the odometer. You hold both of them down for about 2 seconds. You'll notice the clock starts to blink. The bottom button will select hours, minutes, and the entire thing so you can save it at the end. So hold down the two buttons at once for about 2 seconds. Select hours, for example, and then the top button will change the hours. And it's the same thing for minutes as well. I'm not going to change minutes, but basically what you would do is you'd press the bottom button again, and now minutes are selected, and now you would use the top button to change those. And then when you're done changing the clock, you press the bottom button, and once everything's blinking, then you press the top button, and it will save it. And that's it.